inside November. You remember when we first met, don't you? You recall our very first kiss, don't you? But it all was blown away when autumn winds appeared. Was our short affair much more romantic? Laying on the beach with